Guys, hello guys. It's crazy, man. Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me now? I don't know why, but I think there is a problem. Guys, hello guys. It's crazy, man. Can you hear me, guys? No, I don't know why, but I think there is a problem. So please let go, let go, let go, let go. So wherever you are now, let go. Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't know why, but it's okay. All right. So, tell to somebody, ask someone right now. So if you can hear me, that good. So, look here. Speak it. Are you there, somebody? Let me get to. Okay. So, I'm trying to. So if you can hear me, please comment quickly. Be fast, okay? So because of time, we need to finish quickly. Okay, so are you there, somebody? I'm not seeing your comments, guys. I'm not seeing your comments. All right, so let's go now. Shaladiata. Jesus Christ. The devil is a liar. This guy does not want you to learn. Okay, can you see my screen? Guys, if you don't respond, it's gonna be very complicated. I need to go now, please. If you are not replying, it's gonna be very complicated. Okay, all right, perfect. I start seeing now. All right, so brother Abraham, no, brother Abe, no, brother Anderson, how are you doing, sir? Good evening. All right, so I think we can start now. Yeah, so please make sure you are interactive, so we can finish easy now. Oh, I'm seeing brother from South Africa. Okay, everyone is here. That's what I was waiting for. Okay, can you hear my voice? Is it clean? Yes or no? Let me turn off this headphone. Loud and clear. Okay, all right. That's wonderful. So let's go, guys. Let's go. So before we start, Before we start, I'm seeing some of you here. Okay, Brother Anderson say I'm well, thank you. Hope you and the family are well. Yes, we are doing good here, Brother Anderson. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so let's go now. Father, in the mighty name of Jesus. And as we are here right now, we pray in the mighty name of Jesus. We decree and declare by force and by fire, in the mighty name of Jesus, that we are full of the knowledge. And as we are here at this moment and waiting this moment, oh dear Lord, open our eyes, open our spirit, so we can catch something. In the mighty name of Jesus, teach us at this moment, reveal us some things. In the mighty name of Jesus, we decree and declare that we are ready to learn, ready to catalog and ban some things. And all the information that we are going to get tonight gonna produce results, money with the mission. And money gonna come in the mighty name of you. We are going to use it to make money by force and by thunder in Jesus' mighty name. Amen and amen. Now, if you are a brother Muslim, sorry, I need to pray. So you to pray on your side there, right? Yeah, so that's it. All right, so let's go now, guys. Let's go. So can you hear me? Can we start? Can we start? Because I try to disconnect my earphone. I'm using the iPad microphone. Can we start, guys? Everything okay, ne? Can we go? Okay, perfect. Now, let me go here quickly rather on the Telegram. All right. Yeah, we shared the new link because the other one is not working. Perfect. So let me go here now so I can read one or two things here. Okay, perfect. So I think days ago, let me see this side. Okay, so days ago I was asking you, right, what you guys want to learn. So we are going to use this now and see quickly what to do. So number one, our brother Leslie Gumbu, maybe Gumbu is from South Africa, right, guys? Yes, I'm sure. So want to learn about entries and take profit, stop loss level, price action, risk management. Okay, that's number one. Number two is this. Are you there, guys? Guys, give me 1 minute. Okay, guys, 1 minute. Guys, I'm here. My wonderful wife was calling me, but I'm back. So, guys, so let's speak about money, okay? Money. Quickly. For those who are from Spirit Embassy, there is another mission week that is coming. So, I think you guys you got it. You got the information. So, yeah. So, another mission week is coming now. So that's the time to make money, right, guys? So you guys, you can press the red button. You get the point? Yeah. So very important. I don't know if you get it. So if you don't know, if you did not have that information, I'm giving that information right now. Okay. So please prepare. Mission week is coming from 1st of June, 2026. So it's gonna be in 1 month, right? 1 month something from now. So don't tell me, dog, I did not have money, I did not make money. No. Okay, no. So make money now, so you guys can give, right? So, but me, I'm gonna do all my best and make sure that you print money. So that means we're gonna have 4 weeks ahead there. So in 5 weeks. 5 Forex week. Okay, so that means in 5 Forex week I'm gonna help you to make money, so you can put the money in mission week, God work. So you're gonna have enough to give, so you can take care of your family and do business too. Okay, perfect. So number 2, my brother Olani Kwekuiza. I think brother he is from Nigeria because of the name. He say how to scalp effectively. Okay, number 3, brother Ashil from Cameroon is asking how to trade news without being greedy. Okay, so Mom Johnson from South Africa, he say how to trade news, number 1. Number 2, how can I analyze the market by myself like our mentor doc, the alien? Mom is calling me alien. Thank you, mama. So number 3 now, I don't know this one. Eagle. This is prophetic sign. Okay, let's go. He said, doc, when you give a signal without a stop loss and the trade reverse against us, for how many pips should I wait to close the trade? Now wow, but I already give stop loss, guys. Okay, no problem. Let's just go deep now of this thing. Okay, so we can continue. Let me see this. So you're gonna be very, very fast. So we finish quickly and I close. Okay, guys, can you hear me? Is it okay? Can I go? Can we flow? I want to know if you are hearing me clearly. So we can flow now. Just say yes, 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 yes. So brother Paul Etiang, this is surely Cameroon. Okay, hello, my goodness, Lord. Malik Ebredis. Okay, let me do this. Okay, can you hear me now? I'm trying to change the speakers. Is it good now? I'm trying to change the speakers. Okay, I receive another message from brother Anderson. He's asking me about the currency. Okay, no problem. Can you hear me now? I think it's fine now, ne? So I'm seeing Pastor Gabriel Johnson from South Africa, ECG. Love you so much, Pastor. Yeah. Okay, now let's go, guys. Brother Tefo, can you hear me now? Is it okay? I don't know. There is a delay, surely. So, brother Paul from Cameroon is asking me for technical analysis. When is it right for one to sell or buy? Okay, let me respond to that one. So we continue. Number 1, for technical analysis, that one is not complicated, right? For those who did the course of Forex Masterclass, guys, please go to book number 2. In book number 2, for everyone who did Forex Masterclass, I gave you some strategy, all right? How you guys can enter in the market. I just gave you some strategy there. So please make sure you go in the book number 2, not the first one, and you guys can see, how we analyze the market. So you see yourself, you're gonna see those price action trade, and you take the trade with demo, and now you are good in this stuff, and you can make money easily. Okay, so let's go now, and that's it. Now let me see. I just received a notification here. Direct message from who? La. Not here. Okay. Okay, perfect. So, brother Anderson, good evening, doc. May you please teach us on currency layering and what to look out for. Okay, perfect. Now let's start, guys. Let's start by Forex. Okay, by gold, right? So we go to currency. Are you there, guys? So please make sure you have your notes. Okay, let me see here another thing. Risk management and how to lock the trade. Perfect. No problem. So no problem. So let's go now. So number one. So all of you, let me start by news, right? Let me start by news. So I'm gonna teach you tonight how you gonna trade news. Are you there? So number one, this is gonna be the first topic. So please pay attention and learn. Okay, this thing that I'm giving you because of kingdom finances. You get the point, guys? Kingdom finances. That's why I'm giving you this. So make sure you take advantage of this information. You know, the problem is you never value what is free. But I know that you guys, you are mature, right? You have the maturity side of this thing. So that's why I'm doing this. You see, you get the point. So don't throw away the information that I'm giving you. Remember, I told you last time, the only thing that differ poor from the rich guys is information, right? So yeah, you are the rich one, right, guys? So please value the information. Never tell to yourself this one that Doc is giving, the club we are giving is free. You don't value. No, value, because people, they are paying thousands and thousands of dollars to get this. You get the point? So please make sure you learn right now, and we go. So let's go now in full power. So how now, wow, I think I need to, let me see this. This is good. Perfect. Perfecto. Let's go, guys. Let's go because time. So how, oh Jesus Christ. Okay, good. So how to trade news. Perfect. Are you there? Can you see what I'm writing there? Okay. So this is number one. You know me, for those who know, I am a medical doctor by profession. So that means I like to do ABC. So when I come to you, I say, guys, this is what we do. A patient came, right? So the patient came right now, and semiologically the patient is presenting rather ABC. What to do? I do this, I do this, I do this, I do that, and easy and done. That's how we do. So that's why when you are trading with me, things are very easy. When I'm teaching you things are very easy. We are not here to talk. No, we are here to practice, to tell you what to do. Get the point? So number one, so I'm gonna go like topic. So you see this, you do A, B, C, done. Are you there? So how to trade news? Number one. So to trade news, number one, you need to verify. This is what you're gonna do. Okay, verify on Forex news platform, news data, and type. This is number one. You get it? Number one. This is number one. Now, number two, what you do. You are learning, right? Please make sure you write. So, number two, what you do. Number two is you gonna prepare what I call war account. War account, or accounts number three, that is news account. This is number two. Okay, guys. So number three, what you do, number three, is you wait the time and you execute the trade. Right? Number four. Number four is you take profit. You see, you take profit when you hit your target, or when markets want when market want to revert. Perfect. Can you read it? Perfect. Screenshot. Be fast, guy. Be fast. Can you read it? So number one, what you do? Are you there? You verify. Let me ignore this. You verify, right? How to trade news. You verify on Forex news platform, news data, right? Are you there? And time. Let me write this one very good so you guys can read it. So let me the end and time. Okay, brother Abe is asking me, good evening, doc. I would like to know what is this thing. Okay. Let me see quickly what he's saying. I would like to know how to layer in gold if my maximum lot size is 0.03 and if I plan on using 0.01 lot size, which is the best layer. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna come there. Okay, let's go, guys, because of time. So you see, guys, so you verify on Forex news platform, news data and time. Number one. Number two, you prepare war accounts. That is account number 3 that we call news account or higher risk trade account. You guys, higher risk trade account, right, guys? And number 3, you wait the time and you execute the trade. Number 4, you take profit when you hit your target or when the market want to revert. Okay, are we together? Can I continue? Are we together, guys? Are we together? If we are together, if you are following, just say yes, doc, yes, doc, yes, doc. Flow. All right, so can we go now? I need to show you the practice now. Are we together? Just say flow. Okay, perfect. Now, this is the step, right? This is what you do. So you need to know this in your head, right? Number 1, you verify on Forex new platform. You need to know what is going on. This is number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, guys, I'm not seeing your comment. Where are you now? You guys, you don't want to comment. What is this? No, did you be that? Comment. Okay, all right. I'm seeing producer. This is maybe my brother producer. I think it's from Nigeria or Cameroon. Okay, brother Anderson say yes, doc. I'm flowing. Okay, now I'm gonna give you the best platform where you guys gonna trade news. So you have in your head, you verify on Forex news. How to do this is you come here. So just go to open your browser, right? You go here, right? You go to Forex Factory. You see, forexfactory.com. You come here. Okay, guys. This is forexfactory.com. You see? Okay. So this is the first point. Okay. Now let me break down one by one. So number 1 is here. Verify this. So how to do it? How to do number 1? To do number 1, it is easy. Go to www.forexfactory.com. You go here, okay? So this is where. By the way, we have for Nigeria. Okay, brother. By the way, we have many, right? We have many, but what I'm recommending this one. Don't use the others. Yeah, I'm recommending this. This one is only for Forex, right? This is for Forex gold. So news, we are trading gold, okay? So you go to www.ponto is Portuguese. Sorry, guys. www.forexfactory.com. So let me run now and go there. So here we go. You see it? This is, here we go, right? Now I think it is better I open with other navigator. Okay guys, so you guys, you can see it. So we go to forexfactory.com, like this, okay? Forexfactory.com. So we open. Let's open. Libarakatabaya. Let's go now. Okay, so when you open, it is like this. See, let me do this. Perfect. You see, it is like this. So everything is like this when you open. Now let me teach you what to do. So when you go to Forex Factory, the first thing that you guys gonna do is, let me screenshot and show you. You see? You see now? Perfect. The first thing, let me show you now. Here we go. Okay. The first thing that you guys gonna do is here. You see the date? You see the time. They say today, April 24. Okay? And then they're gonna give you your local time according to the time that you put on your phone or the time on your laptop. Let me remove. On this tablet, the time is, you see here, is South Africa time. So actually I think in South Africa it is 8, right? Past 37 p.m. So that means those in Zimbabwe, you do the same thing, okay? Those in UK, those in Zambia, those in Nigeria, Benin Republic, you do the same thing. So you make sure that the time here is your local time. So how to do that? Easy. I'm gonna teach you, okay guys? That number one. Number two, you see here where they put filter. Because when you go here, you see here GPY, GBP, all those nothing called that. We don't need it. We only need to trade the dollar and gold. We are trading gold for news. Remember, okay? Okay, let me show you again. So remember, we are trading news. So we are trading what? We are trading gold versus US dollar. Okay guys, so this is how it works. So with this part, the first thing that you need to know is this. When are we together? When, right? When US dollar is strong, gold's gonna go down. Always put this in your mind. When the economy of USA is strong, it's gonna affect the other currency. When USA is strong, gold gonna go down. When USA dollar is weak, gold gonna fly. That's why, for example, when you see President Donald Trump just, he come, when he want to say anything, what he does is, you're gonna see that he's there to say the economy of USA is doing good. He's always there to praise dollar. So that means when he come, everyone know that he want to praise dollar. So what we do is we sell gold. Now remember the other guy, Paul guy, that's one. When he come, he gonna say, no, we need to cut the rate, economy is bad, and what happened? Immediately dollar go down and it flies. So let me teach you now how to do. So for those who want to trade news, is this. So when US dollar is strong, right, immediately what happens is gold gonna go down. When US dollar is weak, what happens is gold gonna fly. So you need to have this rule in your mind. Okay, so when there is a news, we are looking for dollar. What they want to say about dollar now. When they release the news and they are telling us that US dollar is strong, that means we are going for sale. When they are telling us that US dollar is weak, that means we are going for buy gold. Oh, come on. Get it? Are we okay till do you get it now? Can I flow? Are we okay? That's number one. So if I can flow, just say flow. Can we flow? Can we flow? Are you learning? Can I go deep? If I can, just say go. All right. So now, hear this now. So you already know this. So when you go now to how we call it, when you go to Forex Factory, we are looking for what they're gonna say, what gonna be the information that they're gonna release. Is the information gonna be dollar is weak or dollar is strong? So we know exactly what to do. But you see, when you come here in the Forex factory, everything is here. So we need to filter. So we need to remove those GP, Y, ABC. We need to remove it. Alright, so to do that, what to do? You see here, just look here. Look, see here. Just see here. You see here where they put filter? Here. So we are going to filter and remove all those nonsensical stuff. You don't need, we only need dollar, okay guys? So let me see now. So I click on the filter now. When you click on filter, just see what is there. Oh, come on. So when you click on the filter, you can see here they say expected impact. Let's just choose all. All right, I'm gonna teach you, don't worry. Now they say event type rather, choose all. Now you see the currency here, you're gonna remove every currency and you just leave US dollar, because we want to get information about dollar. All right guys, okay, let me do it now. I click on the filter. Now you see I'm gonna remove everything and only leave dollar. This is good. Now what about the event? No, we want to trade everything. Growth, inflation, employment, central bank, everything here. It's okay. Now some people gonna tell you that you need to choose only the red, but let us choose all. I'm gonna teach you, right? Now when you do it, now you see they put apply filter just down there. Where here? You see there, apply filter. So what you do, you click on apply filter. See now, boom. You see everything changed. Now we are okay. So you can see now today Friday, this is the two news that are there. Now before we go deep now, let me now show you how to take those trades. Now when you come on Forex Factory, you're gonna see that there are news that are red. Okay, so they give you news in color. So we have the red one, we have the yellow one. Okay guys, so we have what they put again here, yellow one. They have what again? Let me see. Okay, where is the filter now? Here. Yeah, they have the yellow one. They have others. You see those four? Yeah. Now in those four, we only need one. We only need the red one. Oh, come on. Why we need the red one? The red one is what gonna move the Forex market. We don't care about the other color. When you see other color, don't forget it. Okay, so we are only going to trade the red, because red is what gonna move dollar market. When you see yellow, forget it. Yellow never move market. When you see the other gray, the gray never move market. When you see the other one, that is, I think, the pink one never move market. The only one that move market is the red. So that means when you come on Forex Factory, you need to look for red, red. Are we together? Now, for example, just see here, today is Friday 24. You see, we don't have a red news there. So that means there is no news today. You get it? Okay. Let me now try to go to when did we trade news, guys? Okay, let me go to here. let me go to here. Let me go and search for news here. Yeah, perfect. This was 6th of January. Jesus Christ. Okay, perfect. Let me do this. I think it's better. Let me do this, guy. Good. So search. Let me search for news here. This is Forex room. Okay, so no, this is new effect. I think this trade was crazy. We got a lot of money from this trade. Okay, let me go up. News trade. This was PPI. Okay, perfect. Let me give you this. So PPI is not major news, because when we are trading news, we have big news, major news, minor news, and so on. So, but don't just forget those things. Now, for example, see, no, let me go for news. I'm trying to look for a news. Okay, perfect. Let me do this, guys. Oh, I found one. The new setup is running 660 pips, 50 pips. This is crazy. Okay, let me just go that news. Oh, perfect. I got one. So this one was when 18th of March. Okay, so 18th of March. I say what? 18th of March. I think we trade the news there. Yes. Here. 18th of March. What is this thing? Okay. I said breaking news, gold set now. For news, money is time to enter. PPI. Go. So this news gave us 650 pips. This is crazy. So this was 18th of March. So let me just go to 18th of March. I'm gonna show you. Okay, I click here on the calendar. Okay, let me go to 18th of March. Now, wow, 18th of March. This is 18th of March. Perfect. Okay, let me go there. Wow, we are here now. Okay, now see, Wednesday, 18th of March. You can see here the time, right? So I'm gonna show you. So the first news that come is 2 p.m. and 30 South Africa time. So we were trading PPI. So remember what I told you. You need to go to Forex Factory and know the time. So I already know that exactly at 2:30 South Africa time, news gonna be released. What I do, I prepare my wallet account. I'm ready. I'm just waiting to trade. So we got two news. We got number one, what they call core PPI, and we have the PPI. So the two news gonna be released exactly at that time. So what I do is I go to my MetaTrader. Okay, guys, and when I go there, I just wait. When the news is released, I go in. Now, let me now show you how it is. Are we together? Now, see this side. You see here. You see? So this is the results. When they release the news, and do you know why I like factory, Forex Factory? Because when they release the news, they already rather tell you how dollar is. The other website, they don't tell you, they just release the result. So it is you now, your duty to do what? To trade according to the result that dollar is giving you. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. So here, when you see this color, right? How you call this? What is this color? Oh, la couleur verte. English is green now. Green, perfect. When you see green color means dollar is strong. What you do, you go to for sale. When you see red color means dollar is weak. You do what? You go for sale. So on the 18th of March 2026, exactly at 2 p.m. past 30 SAST, right? We were waiting, and this is, remember I told you this is the impact of news, so we are trading the red one. Red means higher impact news. So higher impact news, market is very, very volatile, so you get your money, you run. Okay, guys. So when news is released, immediately I saw what here? I saw green color. That means dollar is strong. What I say, what I said. I come here on Telegram. I say, guys, sell good now. Why? Because dollar is strong. If dollar is strong, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen is immediately, right? Gold gonna fall. You get that lesson, right? So that's how it took this. Now we enter, right? We enter in that news, right? And we got some. What is the screenshot? I think this one is another one. No, I was giving another. What is my screenshot now? I did not send. Wow. Yeah, but we got 650 pips. I think I did not send the screenshot. What is that screenshot? Okay, let me see this. I think this is another one. Okay, let me go for another screenshot. If I can see another screenshot, I think gonna be okay. So let me do this. This was 14th of April. This was when? Yeah, this is another week. You see this one, for example. Yeah. You see this one, you can see there that dollar is weak. You see, so we need to buy here, gold and gold fly. I think I send this. Okay, let me just go for it and show you some proof, okay guys, so I can continue. This is new setup. Yes, guys, you remember this one? Yeah, we took this one together. Okay, I think this one was what? Was buy. This was news too, but I don't want this one. There is a sale that gave us 700 pips. Now wow, this is crazy. Yeah, this one. Okay, no, I think not. There is a sale that we took, guys. Do you remember? Okay, let me go for it. I'm not seeing. This one is news too. Yeah, this one is news. You see this one? This one is news. So we take this news and it went down. Yeah, I find it. This one. This. You see, this is a news. And this is how news move. Let me see here. This is a sell. This is another news. You see, so this one, what happened is dollar was strong. So that means the color of dollar was what? Was green. And what we say, boom, we sell. So this one is new. So we sell from this side. You can see how it went down. You get it now? Perfect. So this is how we trade news. So you come here, okay, so you prepare your account, and when they release the news, you check the color there. So in our case here, 2/30, yes, powerful brother Tefo. So we were trading, yeah, here you see, we were trading gold. So what I do, I say, everyone guys, let's prepare war account. What is war account? War account means the money willing to lose. Okay, how to do war account? Today is teaching, okay guys? Don't worry, I'm gonna finish. You go to for your Forex account. You have accounts number 1, that is your main account. Now you have account number 2 that I call backup account. You have accounts number 3 that I call war account. For what? For higher risk trade. And then you have account number 3 that I call profit account. We are learning, okay guys. Now let me show you how it works. Account number 4, sorry. So you need to put in your head that in your broker you need to create 4 live accounts. Account number 1 is your main account. You trade the setup that I am giving you from Forex Room. I am giving you in Million Club. The setup that you are taking from Money Heist instrument, right? For Forex, you trade with your main account. That's wonderful. Account number 2 is backup account. I'm gonna explain you this one so you get it, okay? Account number 3 is war account. That is what? Higher risk. So you trade what with this one? You trade news with this account. Account number 4 is profit account. Okay, now let me explain to you. Let's say, for example, your capital is $300. What you do is you gonna split, right, the capital in 2. You got $200 and you got $100. You take the $200 and you put in your account 1. That is the main one. And you put the $100 in account 2 that I call backup. So that means if you are greedy and you did not manage risk and you blow account 1, you are going to have account 2 that is backup. So you're gonna transfer the money from here to here so you can trade and recover what you lost here. But this strategy is only for greedy people. Remember, we are not educating greedy people. No, we are educating people so they can be disciplined. You get the point? Yeah, but do this, okay? Very important, because backup accounts sometimes help a lot. So this is wonderful. Now, let me jump to account number 4. What you do with account number 4 is this. Remember, I told you we are trading from Monday to what? To Friday. But most of the time, many traders, they withdraw the profit Fridays. Others, they withdraw the profit end months. What me I do? What me dog I do? Me, I withdraw my profit every day. Let me tell you how it works. If, for example, right, Monday I put let's say $300. I'm just giving you an example, okay guys? Let's say Monday I put $300 in account 1. Are you there? Me, I don't use backup account because I'm not greedy, right? I know, you see. Yeah, you know, the Bible said the spirit of a prophet is subject to a prophet. So that means, why I'm going there? Okay, anyway. So that means you can handle your spirit, you know. It's not because you are seeing money that you need to jump there. No, you get what I'm trying to say. Yeah. You need to know exactly when to go in, when to close. You see, so that means me, I don't do backup account. Backup account, I did this year before because I was greedy like you guys. But now, no, I'm not greedy. Okay. So let's say I put $300 in account 1, and at the end of the day, I flip account 1 from, let's say, $300 to, you know, let me give you a figure, to, let's say, to okay, let's say first trade gave me 100 pips. If I layer 0.08 on 50 piece movement, 100 pips gonna give me what? It's gonna give me 80, right? Is it 80? No, it's not 80. Oh, come on. Okay, let me do this. I got 0.02, so 100 pips of movement is giving me 20, right? Yeah, $20. Perfect. Times 8, so it give me 160. Okay, good. Let me remove this. Okay, so that means I'm getting $200 per trade. So if I take time 5, so it is easy for me to make $1,000 every day from 300. Okay, guys. Okay, let me just say I'm getting 600. Okay, so I flip now the account to 1K. So that means my profit from day 1, okay, is how much? $700. Do you know what I do? I gonna remove the $700 and put in account number 4. That is profit account. This is money. So Tuesday, I gonna start trading with 300 again. If Tuesday is giving me, if I flip account, the account now is, let's say 500, that means I'm getting $300 profit. What I do, I remove all the $300 and I put again in account number 4. So I put there. So Friday now, where do I go do my withdraw? I gonna withdraw the profit from account number 4. Why we do this? We do this because if you don't do this, you're gonna lose the profit the following day, because in your head you got a lot of money. I don't know if you get my strategy. That this is me, what I do. So that means the money that you're gonna see in my account from Monday morning gonna be the same money that you're gonna see in my account Friday night, because I remove all. Now, if I want to increase my capital, I can increase, but if not, I do the same thing. Okay, guys, I think you are learning, right? Perfect. Now, from this profit now, I gonna take some and put to account number 3. So let's say the market already give me, $500 profit. What I do, I gonna withdraw and take $100 and put my war account, because it is the money. You see, so this is how we split the accounts. So accounts, war account, I put 100 there. So now when I put the $100 there is something that you guys need to understand. The leverage brokers, they used to reduce the leverage when news is coming, because they don't want to lose money, So when I'm trading news, I'm gonna put all the money in there. So what I do, let me go again. News is coming. I go to Forex Factory, right? Okay, let's see, for example. Okay, today is 24, okay? Now, wow. Okay, let me remove this filter again. Dollar, apply. Okay, so there is no news Saturday, okay? Okay, let's go now. This is gonna be Monday. Monday, US bank are closed. There is no news. Tuesday, if you see Tuesday, there is no red here, so there is no major news here. So we forget Tuesday. So next Tuesday, there is no news. Now let's go to Wednesday. Oh, Wednesday. Okay, perfect. Wednesday night, you can see Wednesday nights, 8 p.m. South Africa time. Wednesday night, we have FOMC. This is the major news. So we're gonna trade this one. Now, what is this one, for example? Let me show you. When you click on it, right? Let me show you what it is. So they say this news, they call it, it measure interest rate at which depository institution lend balances held at the Federal Reserve to other depositors. This is for USA. All right. Now, how to trade this? He's already telling you this. He said usual effect, right? It's the actual. When the actual is greater than the forecast, that means it is good for currency. That means dollar is strong. You get it? Perfect. So just see now the history here. You see, you can see the change there. Yeah, so this is how it works. So you are here, you wait. When now they release it, your eyes need to be where? Here, where they put the actual. You see, so here, for example, they say the previous was 3.75%, and now forecast mean everyone is expecting that the rate gonna be this gonna be this number. So when now the actually release and you see green here, green color, that means you go for sell gold. When you see red color, that means you go for buy gold. And what I do, I gonna trade with my war account. So I go to my MetaTrader, I open my MetaTrader and I wait. Immediately that they release the news and I see this color, I enter. Are we together? Yes. Now let me give you another strategy. So I close the news topic. Okay, now there is something very important that all of you, right? You need to understand, you need to know. Let's say this is your MetaTrader platform, okay? So this is your MetaTrader. So we got the prices, Let's say, for example, that you go to Forex Factory and the news has been released and the news is red, though that means dollar is weak, right? So this is US dollar. So what you're gonna do is we are going to for buy gold because dollar is weak. Now, do you know what happened when the market, for example, is running? You're gonna see that the market can be doing this, okay? So let's imagine that here is the news time. Now, exactly before news come, you're gonna see that the market gonna stack there. It's not moving. It's gonna be doing this, or even the chart gonna stack there. You wait. When news is released, hear me please. And it is not because you are seeing red, like how we call it. It's not because dollar is weak that you are going to enter immediately to buy. No, you can lose the money. Why? Because we have what we call fake out. Fake out means the market is showing you rather up. The news rather is telling you that dollar is weak, so everyone want to buy gold now. Fake out means the market now, instead of going down up, rather now start going down first. So that means those who gonna enter at news time gonna be losing before the market come to the redirection. So what I do is this: when they release the news, I wait first. I wait and I see if the market is doing fake out, is going to other direction. What I do is I wait. I don't enter. So the market can do down. I don't do anything. Immediately when it start now going up, what I do now, I gonna enter somewhere here on my way here, and the good move now gonna start and fly. This is my strategy. Now, sometimes what happens is when they release the news, the market does not do fake out. It immediately fly. What you guys gonna do? You just catch up the movement on your way there and you enter somewhere there. So this is the strategy that myself I use. That's why I don't lose money. You can see people that don't trade news because they lost a lot of money. It can't blow. Everyone is seeing that the direction is buy because US dollar is now is weak. They enter and buy. Boom. Market now choose another direction. They blow the account. It happened a lot. So if you want to trade news, make sure you are using this strategy that I'm teaching you now. Never enter immediately. Just wait. Right? You wait. You wait and see if the market gonna do fake out. Fake out means it's going to another direction. If not it's going to another direction, don't care. Just wait and see when the really moon gonna start. Now, if it's change now, it start going to the red noir. You enter on the way. Now, remember, you are putting all your money there, money willing to lose. So the market is already giving you 100 pips, 200 pips. You just do what? You lock it, you take it, you close. Or you lock it. So you get it now? So this is how, that is rather how we trade news. So number one, you verify on Forex platform by going where? By going on Forex Factory. You go there, right guys? By going on Forex Factory. Number one. Number two, you prepare your account. That is account number 3. And number 3, now you wait the time and you execute the trade. By doing what? By waiting rather the fake out that I just show you. It happened a lot. And now when the market now is already giving you 100 pips or 200 pips, 300 pips, 150, what you do, you take your money, you close. Now, because news market are very volatile, what I gonna recommend is just look for from 80 pips. Okay, so when you have 80 pips or 100 pips, close all, take all your profit, because you are trading with all the money. You take all, you close everything down. Now just imagine, right, for example, just imagine you have a $100 account. Okay guys, now I am trading news. I put everything there. The broker is giving me 0.08 loss size, so I'm trading. So that means 100 pips of movement is already giving me how much? 100 pips is giving me, around $200. Oh, come on. Around $200. So that means I'm flipping my account from $100 to 300. Remember, this money is my profit. So that means I had 300 now. So those 300 now I'm gonna add where? In the account number 4. So I got more money. So Friday evening I withdraw your profit, my pro rata, and done. Perfect. So that's how we trade news. Okay. Any question before I go further? Any question? Do you get the news lesson? Guys, you get news lesson? Yes or no? Be fast, be fast. We need to close. Do you get news lesson? Yes or no? So let me know quickly. Do you get news lesson? Is it clear? Do you know now how to trade news? So what I gonna recommend is this. For next news, you trade with demo account. So when you trade with demo account now, you know exactly how it works, right? Before you go for real account. So that, okay, you get it. Okay, perfect. So this is how we trade news. Okay, now let me go to question number 2 quickly. So someone is asking me about the entries and TPSL level price action. About the risk management, what I gonna recommend you is, please go to Billion Club channel, the first mentorship that we did, right? Go there. I teach you how you guys gonna flip $300 account to $2,000 account from Monday to Friday, and the minimum gonna be 500. I teach you that one. So how to flip $300 account to at least 500 or 2K every week. I teach you. That strategy is coming from the heaven. You get the point. So please go to the first video on the channel and learn before we put the video in private. Okay, because this thing we don't share. So go there. Now about the entry in TP, this is another thing I gonna tell you now. My brother from Nigeria, Isaac, is asking me how to scalp. Right? Okay, no problem. So another guy here is asking me when you give a signal without a stop loss. Okay, perfect. So let's go now. Okay, let's go now, guys, because of time. Okay, can we? Oh, Pastor say understood. Good doc. Okay, Pastor. Thank you, Pastor. Now, can we go deep now? If yes, just say yes. I'm gonna teach you how to scalp. Okay, so let's go to scalping. Number one, what is scalping? You need to understand what scalping means. Let me explain to you. Scalping rather means I'm seeing a river, right? And there is a food just on the river. So I don't enter in the water of the river. I just try to develop another strategy. I jump, I take the food, and I run. Because crocodiles are there. Oh, come on. I don't know if you get it. Lima Sakatabaya. Okay, perfect. Okay, let me give you another example. So let's say this is a river. So somewhere here there is a food. So what other guy they're gonna do is they're gonna walk and enter in the river. They don't care. Crocodile gonna be beating them. They don't care. So they take and they go out later. But what scalper they do rather is they jump in and they come out. This is what scalping means. So in another word, scalpers they trade on volatilities. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. So let's say 1 hour candle is like this. This is the open time and close. Right? So others they're gonna enter in the trade here. They don't care about this movement that we call the down draw because they have big money. Okay, so when the market is going down, it's not the problem because they have big money, right? And they are trading daily or whatever it is. So they just wait. Now when the market now go up, they take the profit here. Scalpers, we don't trade here. Now remember, if you try to zoom this 1 hour candle, you're gonna see like the market is doing this. It can be doing this. Now what scalper they do is they trade on the small movement. You see, when this now is going up, I'm gonna buy. When it's going down, I'm gonna sell. So this is scalping. So scalping, we trade on volatilities. So we try to put you know parasites or parasite. You guys, you need to teach me this thing. In Portuguese, we say parasitas. Parasito, you know. Are you there? In French, we say like parasite in French. So in Portuguese, in English, I think it's parasite. Parasite. You need to teach me this thing, guys. So how it work? How they work, those guys? They try to grind themselves, right, on other people so they can eat. They don't go for food. You get it? So this is what scalpers they do. So how to scalp easily? Let me teach you now. Can we go in? Can we go deep on this movement scalping? I'm gonna teach you. Are you ready? Are you ready? If you are ready, say go. Okay, perfect. You are ready. All right. So how to scalp now? Let me show you. Let me say that let's say for example, here is the market. Here's the market. So we want to sell, and I give you a zone. You know, when you are trading with the instrument, or whether the trading is coming from me, you guys gonna see that most of the time I give you 50 pips zone sometimes, And other time, let me remove this. Perfect. Other time I can give you 80 pip or 100 pip zone. So if I give you 50 pip zone, whether I give you 50 pip zone, 8 pip zone, or 100 pip zone, it is the same strategy. You know what is good in trading? You can only be profitable when you are managing risk number one, number two, when you are doing what we call layer. If you just enter in a trade with just one layer, you cannot make money. You can't. You know, let me tell the truth as a scalper. You can't. That's why when I send you my screenshots, you can see a lot of layers that are put there. What layer mean? Position. So I can take position now. I can put You see a lot of layering. So if it is just one entry, you cannot make money. Let me tell you the truth. So that's why you need to follow money risk management, ABC, and now you know exactly how this thing works and you layer. Now, let me give you an example. Let's say I say, guys, sell. Okay, let me do this. Let me do this. Mentorship. Okay. Let me do this. Okay, perfect. This is Money Head Pro. Okay? This is Money Head Pro, for example, right? So if you look closely to this Money Head Pro, there is this is sell zone, okay? This is sell zone. This is buy zone, Okay, let's say this buy is risky. Why? Because this support zone has been touched a lot of times, so it can broke. So it is not higher risk. Now let me say we are trying to buy now. It can break now. So what is the good zone to buy here? This is a good zone to buy. Okay, guys. Here, but I don't have two confirmation. It's fine. See, so let's say now I'm trying to scalp buy zone because here is sell, one touch, second touch, third touch is risky. So I cannot take a trade here. It is very risky now. Okay. But let's just try, and we try to buy. Let me see. Okay, so if you look closely, oh come on, okay, this is buy. Okay, we are going to grab the buy 4717. Okay, oh god. Okay, so how to do? You see, I say 4717 buy. Okay, let's guys, I don't know what is going on here. Can you see my stuff? You can see, ne? I think there's a problem. Can you hear me? No, you can hear me, ne? Okay, perfect. Oh, you can hear me. Oh, okay, all right. So let's go now. So when now the market starts flying, remember, scalpers, we go from 50 pips. If this zone, guys, is already 50 pips, you don't wait the market to give you 50 pips up. Okay, let me try to design so it can be bigger. Okay, let's do this. So you are layering, okay? If by the grace of God, your first entry is here or here, and the market fly, you look for 50 pips. But if it is not like that, but the markets, right, start now doing crazy stuff in the zone, that means what? That means we are buying, for example, the market did like this, right? Let me do this. The market did like this, and it tried to fly, went down, start doing this. So you are layering before now it fly. What you do? How can I do in this case, doc? Easy. So number one, this is your first layer. This is your second layer. For example, you layer 3, you layer 4. Okay, so you put, for example, 0.02 here, 0.02 here, 0.02 here, 0.02 here. So you layer 4. You have 4 layers. You're gonna see that when the market now start going up, the first layer gonna be in profit. If this zone is, let's say, 50 pips zone, how to look this trade? When the price now come here, the first entry, the first point of the zone, are you going to hold this trade? You don't hold it. Why? Because the market is already giving you, or rather did already 50 pip movement from down here. If you hold it, it is risky because we are scalper. What you do immediately you close the first layer, you take this money because this one is already giving you few, you close this one because this one is giving you this one, and you're gonna hold these two with what I call break even, where in the zone. You get it? Now if it fly, this is the good news. Yeah, so you can take big profit. So that's why I'm telling you rather that it is good for you to trade with many layers. You cannot just layer one. Now just imagine someone now, right, with a very small account, just take one layer here. The market now came here and he closed. He's only giving like $1 or $2. That one is not bad. Okay, now some of you are asking me now, okay, doc, I just have small account. What I can do? It is easy, guys. Go to your broker, open what I call send account. If you open send account, you put $100 inside. The broker gonna give you 10,000. So that means you are be trading. You're gonna be trading with 10,000 US dollar of the money, but it is 100. That's what we call send account. Send account. If you have $10, you open send account, the broker is giving you 1,000 US dollar. So that means you will be trading with the money 1,000 US dollar, but it's only 10. So if from this 1,000 US dollar you flip the account with my strategy to 3,000 US dollar, that means you are getting $30 profit. So how small account you guys can survive in this market? Go to the broker. Go now to your broker and open send account. What is my broker don't give me whatever. No, it is easy. Just go to our stuff here, right? Just go here, or we can give you the link. This is our broker. Broker number 1 is SNES. SNES give you send account. Broker number 2 is Just Market. They give you a send account. No, Just Market. No, they don't give. I think they give, man. Yeah, they give send account, I think. Broker number 3 is HFM. HFM give you send account. You see, so you go there and you open send account. That's how you guys. So if, for example, you have small account, this is how you can do. Now, some of you are asking me, doc, I only have $100 in my account, so my layering is only 0.02. So I'm layering 0.01, 0.01. Are you gonna give you money, but it's very small. Just put the $100 in a cent account, so the broker gonna be giving you 10K. So you trade like you are trading 10K. So they're gonna divide the money with you. You get yours, and they get this. You get it? Perfect. So this is what we do. Now, let me now show you how to lock it. So when you are trading with no stop loss, the stop loss gonna be yours. Already put in your head that it's gonna be, for example, 100 pips. You do your calculation. How to do it? Go to the first video to learn. Okay, let me now teach you how to lock. All right. How to lock. Okay, how to lock a trade. Perfect. How we do that? It is easy. Let's say, for example, we are selling gold. Okay, so I open 10 position. For example, okay, I open 10 position. So this is a sell. Here is the zone. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's say 9, 10. So I have 10 position here. So we are selling gold. So we are expecting the market to go down. Perfect. So my zone here, for example, is 80 pips zone, for example. So the market is coming from up here and going down. What I do? The movement is already 80 pips. So when it's come here, I'm gonna be closing 50%, right? So that means the first layers. So if you on your side that you open 4 positions, 1, 2, 3, 4, what you do is you're gonna close the first 2. That means this money is already in your pocket. You get it. And this one now, you hold it with what we call BE. B is what? Break even. What is break even? Break even is you guys, you are changing your stop loss price and you put after, right? You put after your entry. You get it? So this means, for example, I come here, I close 50%. That means I'm closing 5 trade. I'm holding 5. So why I do this? If the market revert, I don't care. I'm only holding those that are up here, because they are in zone, the zone, and they are up there. For the market to revert, they're gonna be complicated. But if it does, those trades gonna close immediately in profit. Now let us assume rather that the stop loss of this trade is here, and here is the zone for sell. How is it gonna be? When I already close 50% because I'm profit, I close those 5 that are down. I'm gonna immediately change my stop loss price. I'm gonna remove from here and put somewhere here, just down here. Why? Because if you leave your stop loss here and the market revert, you're gonna be in minus. This is what we call lock a trade. So lock a trade means trade the first position. I click on my MetaTrader thing. I go to modify. I change my SL to somewhere here and lock it. I do it fastly. Number 1. Number 2, if I don't have time, what I can do is I put horizontal line here. I put horizontal line here. So I know in my head that if this market revert now and come here, I need to do what I call bulk operation and close all my trade. So this is how we do. We monitor. You get it? Yes. Now, because we are scalpers, what scalper they do? You don't look for minimum. You go for 50 piece profit first. When you get it, you take all the money. If you have small account, if you have big, look it, you hold it. This is what we do. So you don't need to wait the trade to go up to TP before you close. That's the problem. No. When the market is already running 50 pips, we are good. Take it and go and wait. Everything good? Okay. Let me go to the instrument now. So there is a buy that I was taking. Okay, so you can see that the market. Let me go to M1. Okay, guys. So we can see how it moves if we got profit or not. Okay. Let me try to go to Liberata Kababaya. This network is crazy. Can you hear me? Masoto. Rakata basunde grededo satalabaya brondeleges. Zikabarata kabaya. Likra sonde brandala giro from gredeuski brondala hastes. The devil is a liar. Liberate porakite de ushatala brandale gredis. Rada gonjo lego kratos krade guijole shuste grastes eldos confrodis. Liman sakata baya. La kosha bakata la mandere boribasha. Mama. Okay, we are back. I'm back. Okay, alright. That's good. That's good. Can you hear me now? Can you see the this thing? Yeah. I'm back. Okay, good. Now, so here we spoke already about the entries, about the TP, stop loss, about price action, all those. Risk management go for the first mentorship. How to scalp? I just show you how to scalp, right? How to trade news. That was the first lesson that we got. Now, when you give a signal without stop loss, exactly. This is what we just see now. Now about the technical analysis, when there is that's one go for the book, and that's it. Now I think there is another question here. La basata. Let me just see now. Okay. So this one, risk management and how to look. Oh, I just show how to look the trade. And the risk management, go for the first mentorship on the YouTube channel to get it. Yeah. Now let me go for other one here. I think there is one here just down here. Look and risk management. Perfect. We respond to that one. Now, okay, brother Abe here. Moving dog, I like to know how to layer in gold in my mass 0.03. Okay, and if I plan on using 0.01, which is the best way to layer 3 entries in a zone? Perfect. Considering that it can retrace into zone, how I make the best entry? Okay, let me show you. Perfect. So let's say you're with proper risk management, all right, you are layering. The maximum of your lot size is 0.03 lot size. Perfect. Remember, most of the time when I send you a trade, it's gonna be 50 pip zone, or that's gonna be 100 pip zone. Let me teach you. Because your 0.03 lot size calculation is surely based on 100 pips zone. What if I give you 50 pips? You're gonna double your entry. That means on 50 pip zone, the maximum of the loss side that you guys gonna trade gonna be 0.06. I don't know, you get it. Here gonna be 0.03. You get it. So when I send a trade and you guys you are seeing, right, 50 pips zone, you double your risk. Okay, let me show you now. If it is 50 pips zone, 50 pips zone, this is your entry, this is your SL, this is your A point. Okay, so here, from here to here is 50 pips. What you do in your case, I'm gonna start with 0.02 times 3. So when it hit, don't enter, wait the move, never enter there, never enter here, never enter here, wait first. It is not because the trade hit here that you're gonna enter. Wait. The way the market do the alien task and went immediately, you enter in the zone. What you do, you put immediately 0.02 lot size. You wait, don't enter, wait. Now the market now start doing this. All right, don't just wait. It went down, boom, like this. What you do, you put another 0.02 lot size. That's how we layer. You don't layer when you are your last layer is in blue. You layer when your last layer is in manas, is in red. So for example, let's say the market is doing this, right? This is your first entry, and now it went up. You cannot enter here again. It is risky. You wait to layer. You layer when rather your last entry is in red. That's what we do. Many they don't do that. They just press papa. It is risky. You see? So that's how we do. Remember, the market was here. I enter 0.02. It went up, it went down, I enter. Now it start doing this, right? And went down. What I do, I enter again my third layer, that is 0.02. So I'm safe now. Remember, when I'm trading, I need to put my head for me to blow my account. I'm gonna look 10 trades. So that means even this one hits a stop loss, I don't care. I have 9 trades again. So next trade I can recover. I'm gonna recover. So now you wait now. The market now from here now do this, boom, and fly. You see? Okay, you did not get it. This boom and fly. You see now? So you're gonna see that this one is giving you more money. This one is giving you 2. This one is giving you 2. Now what to do with small account? You close all. Small account, don't do crazy stuff. You close all. Because this one, for example, is already giving you, let's say here is 80 pips movement. So this trade here, this one, you see, this is the layer rate, is giving you $60 $16. This one, for example, is giving you, because you double it, right? It's giving you, let's say, $10. And this one is giving you, let's say, $8. What you do, brother, close all. Take your money, take it. It's not you. It is yours, brother. Take it. Because if you want to look it, you can take these 2 here. That means you got $18. Remember, we are scalping. Scalpers need to be wise. Sometimes that's why prophetic trading is very, here in the club we do prophetic trading. So prophetically, you can know if you're gonna hold or not. Because I know that some of you are asking me, doc, sometimes I can just close the trade. Now the trade now is giving now 100, 200, 300. Now I'm regretting. What is this? Brother, listen, never regret. Even when the market is giving you $10, take it, say hallelujah, done. Never regret, because that same regret now can be the opposite. Now you say, oh God, I'm very happy because I closed this trade early. Now this thing now reverse, and people, they are crying. So when you have 3 layers, what I'm recommending, okay, brother, take all. You wait another trade. Now, have in your mind that I'm looking for 50 pips. And where you are going to start counting is, let me show you. Okay. Always start counting from the last layering, from here. In our case here. This color is not good. Okay. Start counting from the how we call it, the last layer. So if this one from here to here is already doing 50 pip movement, just take all. Or you take the 2 and you hold this one with BE. Maybe you're gonna fly. If it come back, no problem. You already locked the trade. Because scalpers, we are looking for 50 pips. Down. Don't even no 50. If now it's giving you more, it's okay. Perfect. We don't have million to put in that market and just be there waiting. You see the strategy? Yes. This is the code, brother. This is the code. You know, my grandfather, Reverend Dr. Pastor Chris Yoakilo, may say something. He said they don't know the code. There is a code, brother. There is a code. There is a code that they don't know. So this is the code. So the code is always put in your head. When there is already 50p movement, I take all your money, I look it. Now how to count it? Always count from where the movement is coming from. Okay. The Holy Ghost just asked me to let you know something. Okay, thank you, boss. Yes, sir. If he asks, you need to do, otherwise I'll be in problem. I don't want to be in trouble. Okay, let's go now. He asked me to show something. Okay, so let me just do it. Very important. For example, let's say we are selling gold. And family, we are selling gold. This is your 50 pips zone. For example, we are selling gold and this is your 50 pips zone. The markets was like this, right? No. I think it's better I do this. Let me do this 100%. Okay. So let's say the market was doing this. So after technical analysis, I gave you the zone and you draw your zone. The zone is somewhere here. Okay, guys. So this is a 50 pips zone. You already know that you're gonna take the trade when the market is here. I think this zone is not good. Okay, let me do this. All right, now it's good. Okay, so you already draw the zone. You are waiting, right, the market to come to that zone. So you guys gonna take the sell. So what happened is this: with your money, you don't have too much money. You just got some. So you open 0.02, 0.024. So let's say the market now did this, right? And came here. What you did is immediately you enter first layer. Oh, come on. Okay, you put 0.02. Now, wow. So you put 0.02. The market now did this again. Sorry, I'm trying to be good. The market now did this again. What you do is you put another 0.02. So this is layer 2, 0.02. We are left with other 2. So the market did this, okay? It went down. So what you do, you layer again because you are in the zone. Remember, the maximum loss size is 0.08 in your case. I'm just giving you an example. So you put another 0.02 here. And it went down and did this. Oh, okay. It went down and did this. So you put the last layer here, that is another 0.02. Now we are finished. Okay. Now what happened is the market now, remember this zone, right? Let's say it is 50 pips movement. So you don't care, no problem. Now the market now starts doing like this from here, okay? Doing like this. Let me try to remove this line here. This line is not going. Let me remove, okay? The line is not going. Okay, I can do this and this is not good. Wow, how to remove this? Okay, it's fine. Let me do this then. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay, it's fine, no problem. Let's just leave like that, guys. Now the market now, right, start doing this and stay in the zone, okay, and now do this. You see, it went up. It did not touch stop loss, but boom, went down. Like this. You see? So your question is, okay, Doc, in that case, how I'm trying to count now, because my last layer was here, but the market was up. So from down to here, let's assume it is 40 pips movement. How am I going to count? Here is what the Spirit of God is asking me to tell you. You start counting from where the market went. So you will not start counting from here. No, you start counting from up here. It is true, you did not enter, you did not put a position here. No, but always start counting from where the market went. You see, so you start counting from here till down. You get it? Yes or no? Oh, come on. If you get it or you did not get it, please let me know quickly so I can go deep. So you start counting from there. You get it? Yeah, from there. From here. You see, this is where you start counting from. So, if now from up there, right? Remember, here to here is 40 pips. If from here now to down somewhere, it is giving you 50 pips, what to do? That means the market is already moving and is doing 50 p movement. What you do now? Easy. You choose to close all. Just close all. Don't wait. Close all. Because the market is already giving you 50 p movement. You close all, or you close this one, and you hold these two with break even. Okay, in this case, where must I put my BE? You're gonna change your stop loss, that is this line and you put just somewhere here. So when the market now reverts and come here, you're gonna be in profit. Now let's say your B is okay. Now this thing now did this and going down. What you do? Are you going to stay with that same BE? The answer is no. Change your BE to the first line so you get more. When now start going down, what you do? You can decide now to close all, or you change again the BE, you put the BE somewhere there. So when it reverts, it's gonna close in profit. This is how scalper they do. Don't be greedy. Put in your hand, in your mind rather, I'm just looking for 50. When the market is doing 50 piece movement, no problem. Just close. The market now is giving you 50 piece profit. If only you had more money, you should be layering up there. You get the point now? Any question? You get it? You get it? Yes or no? Come on. Go guys. We need to close. We need to close now. Do you get it? Everything's okay? Get it? Yes or no? Get it? Yes or no? You get it? Yes or no? Let me see another question here. And yes, you get it. Okay, perfect. I think, yeah, Brother Anderson say, teach us on currency, how to layer and what to look out for. Okay, perfect. I think this is gonna be the other one. Now, so this is when we are trading gold. Okay, this is we are trading gold now. Remember, gold is a very fast market, so you need to be fast. Now, the way we trade gold is different from the way we trade currency. When I say currency, it is pounds and GPY. It is euro and US dollar and so on and so forth. So how we trade currency, it is the same thing. Now let me school you. When it comes to currency, the lot size are a little bit different. If you are trading 0.01 lot size, right, for gold, to get the same risk and reward when it's come to currency, go for 0.10, because the equivalent of 0.01 lot size for gold is 0.10 for currency. Now if you fear, you go for 0.03 or go for 0.05. So this is the lot size that I'm gonna be recommending right now. To be okay, what I think what is good is this. You can go with 0.01 lot size, but you layer. Okay, so for currency, because I know that the equivalent of 0.0 lot size gonna be 0.10, you can layer 0.01 times 10. So that means I'm having 10 layer. Or I can go to 0.02 times time. That means I'm layering an equivalent of 0.02 for gold. Now, if my risk is 0.05 when it comes to gold, that means what? That means I can be layering for currency 0.01 times times what? No. For gold, gonna be like this, okay? This is for gold, 0.05. So you're gonna double. You put 10. You get it? So this one gonna be 0.10 times 5. So it's gonna be 0.5. So the maximum that I can layer gonna be like this. So I can layer 0.10 times 5, or I choose to layer 0.05 times something there. You get it? So this is how we do for currency. Now, let me show something. The way that we trade currency is different from the way that we trade gold. For gold, we look for pips, but for currency, we look for profit. Okay, let me explain you this and we go deep. Let's say currency, we give you this trade and we are buying. So this means here is our zone of action and here gonna be the risk zone. But if you look closely, you're gonna see that the zone, everything is, let me call it zone, is always a 60 pips movement. So okay, doc, how to trade currency? It's easy. We are, for example, buying, right, for currency. The market was here. We asked to buy. So it came here. What you do, you enter in the buy. We expect that it gonna fly. I start now layering. Okay, I start layering. I don't wait the market to give me 100 pips, 200. No. I go for what I call flipping. Okay, what is flipping? Let me show you. Let's say, for example, I have 100 US dollar account. If I flip my account to 50%, that means I'm already having $50 profit. I'm looking for $50. Or 100% means I'm looking for $100. So at the end of this trade, I'm going to have 150 in my account, and here I go and double the account. This is how we do for currency. So when you open your trade here and it already giving you 50, that means you flip an account to 50%. You close down, finish. Okay, let's say now the market now start going down against you. What to do? Remember, you are managing risk. Always know the maximum of loss side that you're gonna trade per trade, and if you lose that one, you're gonna recover with how many? So if you manage your risk, you cannot blow your account. So whether the trade is going down, just leave it like that, because here is our stop loss. Now when now you start flying, remember you are layering, you layer here. When you start now flying, if the trade is already giving you 50% of flip, you can decide to close all, whether the other position are in minus or not. We don't care about that one. What matter is the total of the profit that we are getting. Never tell me, doc, I open 10 position and only 7 position are in blue, are in profit. Other 3 are in red. I want to eat. I want to wait rather for all the 10 to be in blue before I close. No. You don't do that. If you do the calculation, you see on your MetaTrader 5, for example, and you are already having good money. Why to hold? Remember, we are there to take their money. You just close it. When you see that the market now is risky, you close it. You take all the money you run. Yeah. So this is how we layer currency. Always know in your head that the maximum of loss that you are trading is this, and then you start layering. When the market is going down against you, don't worry. Just enter. If you lose that one, no problem. That one will never blow your account because you did your risk management calculation. You know that to blow your account, you need to lose 10 trades, 5 trades, and so on and so forth. And then now, the other thing is, remember, currency is very, very slow. Yeah, when you are trading currency is slow. You're going to take sometimes hours. Sometimes you can open a trade in the morning. The trade going to only be good tomorrow morning. It happen a lot. Yeah. So that's why most of the time people they only ask for gold rather they don't go for currency. I understand, but currency give a lot of money too. See, yeah. So that's it. So everything good. Do you get it, guys? I think I respond to all your questions. So mentorship done. Everything good. So before I go further and I close, let me show you this thing, right, guys? Very important. So let me see here now. All right. Now remember, I told you the other buy that we took for the instrument was what? Scalping. Okay, it gave us 40 pips. Okay. Now see, I told you the good zone to buy was where? Was these two zones here and here, but the good one is here. Why? Because we got two confirmations. So those who are using instrument know how to take it. Okay guys, yeah, so this is a good zone to buy. Here is a very good zone to buy too, because this price is fresh zone. It is fresh. Here is fresh too, so you're gonna fly. So those who don't have the instrument, make sure guys you go for the instrument. Okay, so this is this first one. Let me show you. This first one is Money Haze Pro. So for all of you, you know how it works. The instrument just analyze the market itself with my strategy and give you the zone. You just take the trade and make money. This is a pro. Now let me go now and show you the premium, so you guys can see the difference. Let me close this thing. Yeah. So this is Money Haze Premium. Can you see it? You can, eh? Okay. So how the premium works? This is the premium. So how the premium works? Easy. This is the premium. You see? So see here, for example, this is 5-minute candle. You see? When the market is going this like this, the premium already see the zones. When the market hits this one, it's gonna give you sell. When the market hits this line here, it's gonna give you buy. Okay, dog, where gonna be my TP? My TP is this line that is in the middle there. Okay, let me go deep so you see how it works. This is Money Haze Premium. Okay, it's working on trading view. Though what is the strategy of this? Easy. When the market come and touch this line that he read up there, the instrument give you sell. Okay, when it touch the line, this is down there, it give you buy automatically. Okay, where is my TP, dog? Your TP gonna be here. You see this line that is middle there, this is gonna be your maximum TP. For example, let's see together. Here the instrument says sell from dog. So when you are using it, it's gonna send you the setup. When you see sell from dog, that means you sell. So here, for example, you see sell from dog. Now see the movement. Immediately, people who are using the pro enter. See how the movement is. It went down. This is crazy. Yes. Now see this one. Buy from dog, from this candle. Buy from dog. Immediately, people they enter. See, it fly. This is another buy from dog. It fly. This is another buy from dog. It fly and hit the TP that is in the middle. This is sell from dog. It went down and hit the TP. You see? This is another buy from dog. You see this buy now, down now. It's up and hit the TP. Okay, let me go again so I can show you that. Now, so those who are using the pro, this is the pro. Okay. All right. You see? So let me screenshot and show you again this one. So this one now, this is you can see sell here, sell from dog. See how the market went down. It went down and hit TP. This is another sell, went down and hit TP and is down now. Now if you look closely, all right, there is surely a buy somewhere here, because this thing went to go down. This is another sell buy zone here. I'm already know because it is blue. Remember, right? Perfect. So this is Money Haze Pro. This is how Money Haze Premium, rather, premium work. You already know the pro. This is the pro. the pro is like this. So the pro draw the zone on your chart there. This one is on MetaTrader. So here, red mean you are selling, right? And those blue mean you are buying. Easy. You just draw the zone there. You just take your trade ABC down. Now this one is for. Hope this one is okay now. This one is for how we call it. Let me try to put this account right so you guys can see. This one is for binary option. Okay, so this is for binary option. So how binary option manages work? When you enter, this is a 5-minute candle. We are trading euro and GPY. Just see, it's give you the setup. Are we together? You can see sell guys from dog and buy from dog. So when you get the setup, when he says sell, that means the next candle gonna be your action. For example, see here. You see? You see here? Okay. So here you can see it asking you to sell. Where? To sell here. That means next candle is sell. You can see next candle is sell. Very good. Win. Here I say buy. That means next candle gonna be buy. Win. You see? Here I say sell. Next candle gonna be sell. Win. Okay. Let just me keep you too, because some of you who are asking me this. Okay. See here. Sell from dog. You see? You get it, ne? Sell from dog. You see that one? Next candle red. That means win. Buy from dog. Next candle. You see? Next candle is what? Is green. That means win. Sell from dog. Next candle. You see? Red. Win. Here is as sell from dog, but this candle finish with doji. Now, those who are using the strategy that I teach in that we call trend of volatility, gonna get win here. Buy from dog, you see, buy. Sell from dog, sell, buy, you see. So this one is accurate. Let me go to euro and GPY. This is euro. Oh, come on. There is a trade now that is running. The instrument just asks people to sell. You see this candle? You see now this candle? Yes. It's gonna close surely in sell. Now, see before that, it say buy from dog. You see? The next candle, boom, finish in green. Before that one, just see here. You see? Just see here. Sell from dog is sell. Sell from dog. This one, let's consider this one. Let's consider this one like a fail. Yeah, but if you trade on volatility, you're gonna get win here. This one. Okay, but let's consider like a fail. Now he say now from there to buy this one, buy straight, right? Here it's asked to buy. This one is failed. Why? Because maybe, okay, let me show you. When you go to the market before you trade, always go right and see option binaries. Okay, Pepe, you see, just see the volatility here. That's how we know what to trade for those who don't know. So when you see, let me show you, okay, guys. You see here volatility. When you see 3 dots, in fact, when you see three line, that means that market is very, very volatile. Don't go there. Always go to the market that is stable. So you go down and see if you have 1 line. 2 is not good too. 2 is very volatile. You go for 1. Okay, you can see now the line 1 is here. You see, this is bliss. Let me go to binary or digital. Perfect. You see, this is 1 line. You see, now if you see now the order, it is 2 2 2. Don't trade 3 or 2. 2 we can understand 2, but 3 no. That means very volatile. The market is not respecting technical analysis. That is what we do when we are trading. Now see this now. There is this one USD. You see USDT RY. That one is 1. So we can trade, for example, that one. Okay, so let me just go and put the instrument there. It's already there. You see, it's respecting. You see now, perfect. Sell from dog, next candle red. Buy from God, next candle from dog, red candle green. Here you see, sell from dog red. Buy. You see, this is how we trade binary. So to trade binary, always go there and see if the market is volatile or not. If it is volatile, that means it's giving you these three dot. Don't go. You're gonna lose the money. That means the market is now higher risk, not respecting anything. Now, for those who wanna get this binary, there is another thing that we do. I'm gonna show that one later, so you know exactly when to trade. There are times that we say, trader time zone for binary. You don't trade when those time is there. It is red time. We only trade when the time is green and when the market is not volatile, right? So this is money haste binary option, right? So those who want to take it, send a message to our team to get it. This means you don't need to wait me to get the list. No. You had the binary, you trade there. You already get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins. Easy, you close, done. Right? This is binary. Now this is Money Haste Pro. You already know how Money Haste Pro run. Yeah, we put in on trading view. You know how it is. So it gives you the trade and that's it. So this one is the premium. All of you already know about the premium, right? So this is the premium. It gives you those zone A, B, C, N, and you take it to. Okay, guys. So yeah, very important information. I know that. Perfect. So, mentorship finish. Any question, guys? Be fast. I don't know why, but this thing now is doing crazy thing. Yeah. Finish. What is this? This is not good. It's not changing the. Okay, let me remove Telegram. It's not changing the. What kind of app is this? Okay. Guys, I think I'm done. This thing is not moving. For what reason? I have no idea. It's not moving. Let me just close. But you know, this is the devil. This guy is alive. What is this? Guys, the screen is not moving. Anyway, so are you happy? Everything good? Everything good? Did you learn something? I think you guys learn something. Thank you so much for connecting. Yeah, it's not moving. So, yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. See you later. Shalom.